15 kidney-saving foods. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being. While a balanced diet is crucial, here are 15 kidney-saving foods that may promote kidney health. 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, benefiting kidney health. 2. Garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help protect the kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney disease. 3. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients and low in potassium, making them excellent choices for kidney health. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly alternative to starchy vegetables, as it is low in potassium and provides various vitamins and minerals. 5. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They can help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. 6. Olive oil. Using olive oil in moderation instead of unhealthy fats can provide heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for kidney health. 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium but rich in vitamins A and C, making them a kidney-friendly choice for adding flavor and nutrition to meals. 8. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and contain antioxidants that may help protect against kidney damage and support overall kidney health. 9. Whole grains. Incorporating whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread into your diet provides nutrients and fiber without overloading the kidneys with excessive phosphorus. 10. Egg whites. Egg whites are a high-quality protein source with lower phosphorus content compared to whole eggs. They can be a kidney-friendly option for meeting protein needs. 11. Cabbage. Cabbage is a low-potassium vegetable that is rich in vitamins and minerals. It can help support kidney health and provide essential nutrients without burdening the kidneys. 12. Onions. Onions contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce the risk of kidney damage and promote overall kidney health. 13. Cranberries. Cranberries have been shown to have protective effects on the urinary tract, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, and potentially preventing kidney stone formation. 14. Watermelon. Watermelon has a high water content and is a natural diuretic, which can help flush out toxins from the kidneys and promote proper kidney function. 15. Lean proteins. Opting for lean protein sources like skinless poultry, fish, and tofu can help reduce the workload on the kidneys. They provide essential amino acids without the excess phosphorus and sodium found in certain high-protein foods. Additionally, maintaining a well-hydrated state by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is crucial for kidney health. Staying properly hydrated helps the kidneys flush out waste and toxins more effectively. It's important to note that while these foods can support kidney health, they should be consumed as part of a well-rounded diet and in moderation. Individual dietary needs may vary based on specific health conditions and medical advice. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended for personalized guidance on maintaining kidney health through diet. Subscribe now and start mastering your mind today. Thanks for watching.